Happy Tuesday. All right, we're going to go ahead and get this virtual open house started. I am at 177 Beechwood Drive in Raleigh. So this is a fantastic location, great school districts. We are right off of the Highway 42 area, so you have quick access to I-40, or you can shoot down a Fuquay. So again, great location, and I cannot wait to show you this house. So let me turn this around. We're in a great neighborhood, very quiet, as you can see, really nice houses, very well established, just gorgeous. This home is on over an acre, and it is precious. Cannot wait for y'all to see. It's also got another detached garage workshop, which I'll show you in a minute. So come on in. These sellers have done a fantastic job. This is like the Trex decking. So really great rocking chair front porch. Sorry, I had to call. So you've got a beautiful family room here, sitting room, living room area, masonry fireplace, which I absolutely love. And then I'm going to flip it around this way. And you have another family room area. So again, lots of things you could do with that. You can make one more of an office or a formal sitting room, formal living room, but tons of great spaces. Or you can have an adult and a kid's family room. So then you come in and there's a beautiful dining room area. Love this, looking out into the screen porch, out into the backyard. And they have completely updated all the floors, the kitchen. Cannot wait for y'all to see this kitchen. Bathrooms, everything has been beautifully updated. Granite countertops, love that backsplash. Stainless steel appliances. Hi. And then I love that you have the separate entrance here. So they've also extended their driveway. As you can see, there's like an extra parking pad. So you could easily add on a garage there if you wanted to. And then great laundry room. Pantry. So this home is really neat. It's got a first floor bedroom and bathroom. So could have a first floor master, or in this case, they're using the second floor bedroom as a master. But y'all, look at this bathroom. It is stunning. The floors are gorgeous. And then look at that shower. Just beautiful. I love that tower. They did everything right. And then really good sized bedroom here with double closet. So again, you've got one bedroom on the first floor, and I'm getting ready to take you to the second floor. I'll show you another view of this living room because I just love that masonry fireplace. This house has so much great character. It is an older home, but again, they've updated pretty much everything. It's even got wide steps. So this is what they're using as the master. So again, you could have a first floor or a second floor master. Really great double door closets. Huge space. So, I mean, if you use the first floor as a master, you can almost use this as another bonus room. And then another incredibly gorgeous updated bathroom. She has such good taste. It's like being in a hotel, like a really nice hotel. Let me show you this tile just because I absolutely love it. She's going to kill me for showing you her shower, but love that beveled subway tile and the way they did the inset in there. Just so pretty. Everything is just done beautifully in this home. So then you've got two other good sized bedrooms here. Again, I love that they have unique shapes to the rooms and they're not just square. And then there's also walk-in storage. I'm not going to take you all the way in, but it goes in and around. Again, very unusual, very exciting to have walk-in storage on a house of this size. So again, I'm over in Raleigh, and wait till you hear the price of this home. So I'm going to show you the back door, or the back deck, excuse me. There's a screen porch, back deck, and then double door garage out back. Huge screen porch. just beautiful. Can y'all hear how quiet it is? Nice little farm behind it. Huge screen porch. And then you got the double door garage with the concrete already set up to park your camper. Again, this is 4 bedrooms over in over in Raleigh. It's on over an acre. Backs up to a cattle farm. Perfect location. Y'all feel free to ask questions. I'm trying to check to see if there's any so far. Anybody want to take a guess at the price? 4 bedrooms, right at 2,000 square feet. She makes me want to go home and decorate for Easter. It all looks so good in here. This house is hitting the market this week. I'll give y'all another look at this kitchen. They just did such a good job. Love the glass cabinet in the corner, all their light fixtures. And in my camera, this room looks a little pinky, but it's more of a tan. It's definitely more of a tan color. Again, so much good storage. So I'm right off of 42, but it's a Raleigh address, good schools, 4 bedrooms, a little over 2,000 square feet, screen porch, over an acre, detached 2-car garage workshop. And this gem is going to be listed for $259,900. Hitting the market this week. I'm at 177 Beechwood. Again, let me show you this bathroom. Just beautiful. I just love that tile. They did everything right. There's a linen closet in there too. There's tons of closets, just great spaces everywhere. And again, love that masonry fireplace. This house has so much character and all the right updates. All right, guys, shoot me a message. If you're interested in a tour, we will be social distancing, keeping 6 feet. But happy to show this to you. It's hitting the market this week. If you have any questions, let me know. I can send you the floor plan, any other information. Thanks so much.